When you search for the best kitchen knife set, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy pictures. But to really find the knives that will make your cooking effortless, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Astercook Knife Set 15PC. The Astercook knife set is a 15-piece collection that caught my eye with its sleek design and built-in sharpener, priced at just $39.98. If you want a complete set that covers all your kitchen needs without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This set includes everything from an 8-inch chef knife to a utility knife and even steak knives, making it a perfect starter set for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. The built-in knife sharpener is a fantastic feature because it lets you sharpen your blades easily whenever you need, which is a huge plus for keeping your knives in top shape. Plus, the black nonstick coating helps prevent rust and keeps the knives looking fresh for years. With over 10,000 units sold just last month, people are clearly loving this set. Now, some users mentioned that the blades could dull quicker than expected. Here's the thing though, for the price, the convenience of having a sharpener built right in makes it a great deal for casual cooks. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out in the kitchen or need a reliable set for everyday meal prep. Skip this one if you're a professional chef looking for high-end performance knives. For the value, you really can't beat it.
Product number 2, Astercook 21-piece knife set. Next up is the Astercook 21-piece knife set, priced at $49.97. If you want a comprehensive collection that has everything you could possibly need, this is definitely worth considering. With 21 pieces, this set goes above and beyond the basics. You get a variety of knives, including an 8-inch chef knife, a boning knife, and even cheese knives, all designed for various tasks in the kitchen. The high-carbon stainless steel construction ensures durability and sharpness, which means you can tackle anything from slicing bread to chopping vegetables with ease. The built-in sharpener is a real lifesaver because it saves you time and hassle in maintaining your knives. However, some reviews pointed out that the handles felt a bit slippery during use. But honestly, once you get used to them, you'll find that the overall performance of the knives outweighs this minor issue. This is ideal for home cooks who want a versatile set without spending a fortune. But if you're looking for knives with premium handles, you might want to pass on this one.
Product number 3, Henkel's Statement 15-piece set. The Henkel's Statement 15-piece knife block set is a more premium option, and while the price isn't listed, it's worth checking out if you're after quality. This brand has over 100 years of experience, so you know you're getting something special. These blades are razor sharp and designed for effortless cutting, which is perfect if you often find yourself struggling with dull knives. The set includes a variety of essential knives, from a paring knife to a bread knife, and they're all made with durable stainless steel that is resistant to stains and rust. Plus, cleanup is a breeze since they're dishwasher safe. That said, some users felt the price might be a bit steep for a knife set. Here's the thing. If you value longevity and performance, investing in Henkel's could save you money in the long run, since you won't need replacements as frequently. This is perfect for serious home cooks who want a reliable and stylish knife set. If you're just an occasional cook, the investment might not be worth it. Product number 4, Astercook 15-piece German steel set. Next, we have another solid option from Astercook, the 15-piece German steel set, priced at $64.98. If you're looking for a blend of style and function, this might catch your attention. The ultra-sharp blades are designed for seamless slicing, whether you're prepping meat or chopping veggies. The one-piece stainless steel design not only looks sleek, but also provides a secure grip, helping to reduce fatigue while you work. It includes everything you need, plus a built-in sharpener to keep your knives in top shape. It's dishwasher safe, so you can easily clean them up after use. However, a few users have complained about the knives being a bit heavy. Here's why that might not be a deal breaker. The weight can actually provide stability and control while cutting, which is beneficial for many cooks. This is perfect for those who value aesthetics along with functionality in their kitchen tools. But if you prefer lighter knives, you might want to look elsewhere.
Product number 5, Yatoshi Professional Kitchen Knife Set. Finally, we have the Atoshi Professional Kitchen Knife Set, priced at $199.99. This is more on the luxury side, catering to serious cooking enthusiasts. The blades are made from high-carbon stainless steel with incredible sharpness, making them twice as tough as typical knives. The ergonomic Paka wood handle is designed for comfort and control, so you can slice and dice without straining your hands. The set includes all the essential knives and a stunning acacia wood block for storage, which adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Now, the high price point might raise some eyebrows, but if you're passionate about cooking and want tools that will last, this is a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for experienced chefs or anyone serious about their culinary skills. Skip this if you're just looking for a basic set to get by.
So, there you have it. Whether you're just starting out with the Cook 15-piece set or going all out with the Atoshi Professional knives, there's something here for everyone. Each set has its own strengths, so choose what fits your cooking style best.